Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P130G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your screen on the Dell P130G is cracked, you are not alone. This issue is quite common and can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, including problems with the display that may affect your ability to use the device effectively. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement LCD cover, and some tweezers. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure that your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the Dell P130G. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips along the edges. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components. Locate the cracked LCD cover. This is the part that needs replacing. You will need to carefully unscrew the screws holding the LCD cover in place. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them when installing the new cover. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the LCD cover, taking care not to tug too hard as you don't want to damage other components nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've successfully removed the old LCD cover, take your new replacement and align it correctly with the device. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are firmly attached. Now, secure the new LCD cover with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure to apply the right amount of force. You want them snug but not overly tight, as this could cause further damage. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the back cover of your Dell P130G, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, power on the device to check that everything functions correctly. If all looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cracked screen. To avoid this problem in the future, consider using a protective case and be mindful of where you place your device. Avoid putting it in situations where it could be easily knocked or dropped. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.